What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Gala. And we'll talk about numerous things in this video. We'll just do a full technical update. Gala right now, I wouldn't say we're bullish, but I mean, it's a shame that we didn't get a bullish breakout, because when I was analyzing, we were actually trying to break above this level right here at 3 cents. Did not manage to do that, but it's still in there. It's still a possibility, and that would mean that we could actually get some short-term bullish momentum. So that's what we'll talk about in this video, but we'll also talk a little bit about the statistics of Gala since the V2 token actually came to exist. Because I have some statistics on the burn and the mint right now going on. So basically if there's inflation or not and that type of stuff, which is very important for both the short term and the long term of Gala. Because basically, I mean, for Gala, there's always been a lot of inflation, and I think that's one of the main factors why we actually, since the beginning of February, when we were still at 6.2 cents, why we actually dropped down all the way to these levels right here around 2.7 cents at the very bottom. So that's what we'll talk about. Before we get into that though, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment. And there you will find instructions on how to join that group. But now onto Gala. So Gala right now is actually, I would say it's pretty stable, especially when you compare it to the market. The volume right now is also going up again, which is a good thing. I mean, last week it was obviously still pretty high at around 200 million. It's now 50% down, but over the course of this week we dropped down as low as 50 in the weekend. So it's 100% up from there. It depends on what side you pick. But that's a good thing to see, because to actually get some bullish momentum, which is what we're aiming to do, it is not confirmed yet, but it is what we're aiming to do, you need some more volume. Now overall, Gala right now, I'm struggling a little bit with what I think of it. We obviously had a huge burn that actually came to exist when Gala V2 came, when Gala V2 came, right? So they burned a lot of supply, you can see that right here. And which is amazing. But ever since, they also minted, but that's just the airdrop of the new Gala token, of course. So that's just the Gala that's in circulation right now. But ever since, the real inflation is what we're getting right now, right? So that was one big shock, which we did not really react to. It's bullish over the long term, I still think. But day-to-day action is still a lot of inflation. You cannot see that right here, but you can better see it right here. You can see ever since the Gala V2 launch, we've basically minted over 1 million Gala, over 1.5 million even, on average 2 million, every single day. And we burned through, well, on average around 250,000. So there's still a lot of inflation. Well, a lot of inflation, it's like 1.5 million Gala tokens per day, which on the circulating supply that we have right now of 24 billion is not that much, obviously. But there is definitely still inflation, and that's not helping the price. All right, so that's still in play. Just wanted to tell you that. For now, like I said, what we're trying to do, I think, is try to get into some sort of consolidation right here between 2.9 and ultimately 3.25. That's what we're trying to do. And then from there, hopefully, if Bitcoin gets a little bit more bullish, actually get some sort of a rally. I am not sure if we're able to do that. I think it depends 100% on if we are able to break above 3 cents right now or not. Because at this point of time, you could also very well argue that there's bearish momentum and that we're being pushed down to this level around 2.7 and 2.6. So it all depends on 3 cents. If today we can actually break out above that level, then that's good. We'll get up to levels around 3.1, 3.15, and we'll get into some sort of a consolidation, at least on the short term. If, however, this is really the rejection we're getting, because we found resistance at the 50 EMA, which does suggest that we are trending down. If we're not able to break above 3 cents, then we're just going to drop back down to that 2.9 cents area, and at some point of time, probably get a bearish breakout and retest and drop down to those levels again around 2.75 and 2.7 at first. So yeah, it depends largely on the price movements today, I think. I'll be back with another update on Gala if you're interested in that and if it's needed. For now though, that's my take. So thank you for watching, take care, and bye.